Hello, I am Tara from Living on a Dime, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, and today I am making a buttercream frosting on page 241. The recipe is in the description below. It's on our website, and you can also get our book on our website. Let's get started. So first you're going to take your butter and you're going to whip it up with your mixer. Get it nice and fluffy. You're going to pour in your powdered sugar. You're going to put in your vanilla, then your milk, then beat again. Then you're going to add a little bit more milk to get the desired consistency you want in your frosting. I'm going for a thick frosting today. Because I'm piping my frosting, I want it pretty thick. Perfect vanilla cream frosting. You can get the recipe in the description below, and you can also buy our Dining on a Dime cookbook on our website at livingonadime.com.